Big Four coconut caravan park. Here's a coconut for you. Hot and sticky up here. And so yeah, I'll put some pictures up of the travel up from Kurrimine, which was stunning, by the way. I'm here in Cairns for 5 days, then up to Palm Cove for 4 days. No, 2 days. Might stay longer, depending on the caravan park. And catch you later. Archie wants to sit on my lap, and he wants my cup of tea, which he's not gonna get. No, you're a rat. That's what you are, a rat. For some reason he likes tea. Why do you like tea? No? Go on then, get down. Shouldn't really do this, but